Meaning of generosity.
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 Generosity. Generosity refers to the quality of being kind, understanding, and empathetic towards others by giving freely without expecting anything in return. It implies a willingness to share time, resources, and abilities for the benefit of others. Generosity is a value that emphasizes the importance of giving to others, expressing gratitude, and making sacrifices in order to help others. It is often viewed as an important part of building strong relationships and fostering a sense of community. Practicing generosity can bring happiness to both the giver and the receiver and contribute to a more positive and compassionate society.